Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to insert and view your first document in MongoDB, right? So this is going to be very interesting because we are going to insert our first data to our database, right? So how we do that? Well, for doing this, let's first do one thing that we first give our database and the collection name. So I'll write here const db equals to client client dot, then after giving this we will write db client dot db and then bracket, and here we will give this database name which is db name, right? So we have stored the name of our database inside our db variable, right? Now after that, let's create our collection. So for that, const collection equals to db dot collection and put a bracket, and inside of this write the name with which you want to create the collection. So I'm going to create it with the name students, right? So students, like this. So this is going to be your collection name, right? Now how we insert data? Well, I'm going to show you that how we insert one data, right? So I'll write const insert data equals to await, and after that write the collection, write this collection. So collection dot insert one, right? And then put a bracket here, like this. Now after putting the bracket, just press enter and put this curly bracket. Right now inside this curly bracket we will give the all the key and the values. So we'll write name, and the name will be, let's say, Aman. Put a comma. The age, let's take the age as 22, and the city, right? The city will be, let's say, Delhi, right? So in this way we will insert the data to the database, because we are having this collection here, right? And this collection is made inside the database. The database name is programming knowledge, and inside this particular collection we are inserting the data, which is this. You can see this is how it works, right? Now after this, let's print that data, or I will show you there, right? Just print here, data inserted, like this. Got it? Now after this, let's let's print it, right? So let's save it and go to the terminal, and here let's write node index.js and press enter. So you can see data is inserted. Now let's go to the database, and here let's check by clicking on this browse collection. To check your data, right, we go to the browse collection, just click on it, and you can see here on the top I'm having programming knowledge. This is the name of our database, and this student is the collection. If you go here, you can see this student which we have created, right? This is the collection name, right? And inside of this we are having our data, which is name as Aman, age as 22, city as Delhi, like this. Got it? So this is how we insert the data inside the MongoDB, right? Now it's time to see the data. So let's just do one thing. Let's comment it down, and after that let's view all the documents. So to see all the documents from there to our terminal, we do what? We just write const, uh, let's name it student equals to await collection dot find, right? And then dot to array. Since we are going to get lot of data from there, right? That's why we put it inside the array, like this. Got it? Then just print it. So console.log and student, like this. Got it? Let's just save it and go to the terminal. Let's clear it out and write here node index.js. Press enter, and you can see you got your data from there to your terminal, right? This is the data where name is Aman, age is 22, city is Delhi, which is what we inserted there, right? So this is how we insert and view our documents in the MongoDB through our Node.js. So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.